Hi, Leah Marie here with Mind Health Coach practices for emotional detoxing and holistic wellness, stress management, anxiety relief, working towards feeling more aligned with balance. So these balancing techniques that I've been showing and sharing are, tried and true by myself as well as with others. I shared yesterday some emotional freedom technique with some of the participants that came on, and I wanted to dive in deeper today. Hopefully, all of these things are helpful to you. If there's anything that you're feeling that you want a deeper dive on, you can always contact me at info@mindhealthcoach.com, or you can even text us at 508-938-9211. And just being enraptured in the journey, it's kind of an interesting part of our experience happening right now, and how we are feeling is really important, because we're here with. Do we really ever know what's going to happen to us? That's something to ponder. We never truly know what's going to happen to us. Like, I kind of get it under control and use different methodology, such as different ways of breathing and interpretations, perception, my mindset. It was all about self-care and self-healing. So if you were watching last week and you're having a lot of difficulties with getting in the space for meditation, you can press your tongue to the roof of your mouth. It stimulates the pineal. There's nothing to worry about. We're on this journey together. You're tapping into your higher self. And everything is okay. Everything is safe. You have your foundation underneath you. You're supported. The earth is beneath your feet, whether you're in a house or in a car or where. But the breath is our power source. You fill your lungs when you breathe in with white light. You can envision this beautiful white healing light coming in through your nose, filling up your lungs, and it's spreading out. It's spreading out through every blood. Being mindful is all about that. Being mindful of your nutrition, being mindful of your sleep. Please make sure you're getting enough rest. If you're not sleeping right, do some meditation, get some essential oils that help, like lavender. I've been using my peppermint essential oil all day today because I have a headache. So that's your tips for today.